Welcome to HerbNerd TV. Today, we're taking a critical look at ashwagandha, one of the most popular adaptogenic herbs on the market. Celebrated for its ability to help the body manage stress, improve energy levels, and enhance overall well-being, ashwagandha has become a staple in many people's health routines. But is it really safe for everyone? In this video, we'll uncover the lesser-known side effects and contraindications of ashwagandha that often go unmentioned. Let's dive into the risks you need to be aware of before incorporating this herb into your lifestyle. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, also known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, is a prominent herb in Ayurvedic medicine. It's classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body resist physical and mental stress. Ashwagandha is touted for numerous benefits, including reducing anxiety, improving sleep, boosting immune function, and enhancing cognitive performance. Commonly known benefits. Before we delve into the risks, let's briefly touch on why ashwagandha is so popular. 1. Stress reduction. It may lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. 2. Anxiety relief. Studies suggest it can reduce symptoms of anxiety disorders. 3. Improved sleep. It may enhance sleep quality and help with insomnia. 4. Enhanced athletic performance. Some evidence indicates it can increase strength and muscle mass. 5. Cognitive function. It might improve memory and mental processing. Lesser-known side effects. While ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most people when taken in recommended doses, it can cause side effects, especially when used improperly or by individuals with certain health conditions. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. 1. Nausea and stomach upset. Some users report nausea, diarrhea, and stomach discomfort. 2. Dosage dependent. These effects are often linked to high doses. 2. Starting with a lower dose may mitigate these issues. 2. Thyroid function alteration. 1. Hyperthyroidism risk. Ashwagandha can increase thyroid hormone levels. 1. For individuals with hyperthyroidism or those on thyroid medication, this could lead to excessive hormone levels, causing symptoms like rapid heartbeat, anxiety, and weight loss. 3. Autoimmune diseases. 1. Immune system stimulation. Ashwagandha may boost immune activity, which is generally positive. 1. However, for people with autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, or multiple sclerosis, this stimulation could exacerbate symptoms. 4. Blood pressure and blood sugar levels. 1. Lowering effects. Ashwagandha might decrease blood pressure and blood sugar. 2. Caution for medicated individuals. Those on antihypertensive or anti-diabetic medications should monitor levels closely to avoid hypotension or hypoglycemia. 5. Allergic reactions. 1. Rare but possible. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, including rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. 1. Discontinue use immediately if these occur and seek medical attention. 6. Sedation and drowsiness. 1. Central nervous system effects. Ashwagandha can cause drowsiness or sedation, especially when combined with other sedatives or alcohol. 2. Caution with activities. Avoid driving or operating heavy machinery until you know how it affects you. 7. Hormonal effects. 1. Testosterone increase. It may boost testosterone levels, which could be undesirable for some women or individuals with hormone-sensitive conditions. 2. Impact on fertility. While some studies suggest fertility benefits, others caution its use in certain reproductive conditions. 8. Liver toxicity, rare cases. 1. Hepatotoxicity reports. Although rare, there have been isolated cases of liver injury associated with ashwagandha use. 2. Monitoring recommended. Individuals with liver conditions should use caution and consult a healthcare provider. Contraindications. Certain groups should avoid ashwagandha or use it only under professional supervision. 1. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. 1. Potential risks. Ashwagandha is traditionally considered unsafe during pregnancy due to the risk of miscarriage. 1. Its effects during breastfeeding are not well studied. 2. Recommendation. Pregnant or nursing women should avoid it. 2. Autoimmune disease patients. 1. Exacerbation of symptoms. As mentioned, it may stimulate the immune system, worsening autoimmune conditions. 2. Consult healthcare provider. Necessary before use. 3. Thyroid disorders. 1. Hyperthyroidism. Caution. Those with overactive thyroid should avoid it due to the risk of increasing hormone levels further. 2. Hypothyroidism. Monitoring. Individuals with underactive thyroid on medication should monitor hormone levels, as ashwagandha may enhance medication effects. 4. Scheduled surgery. 1. Anesthesia interaction. Ashwagandha may slow down the central nervous system. 1. Combined with anesthesia and other medications during and after surgery, it could cause complications. 2. Discontinue before surgery. Recommended to stop use at least 2 weeks prior. 5. Gastrointestinal ulcers. 1. Irritation risk. It may irritate the gastrointestinal tract, worsening ulcers. Drug interactions. Ashwagandha can interact with various medications. 1. Sedatives. May enhance drowsiness when taken with benzodiazepines, barbiturates, or other sedatives. 2. Thyroid medications. Can increase thyroid hormone levels, requiring dosage adjustments. 3. Immunosuppressants. May counteract medications meant to suppress the immune system. 4. Blood sugar and blood pressure medications. May have additive effects, leading to levels that are too low. Guidelines for safe use. If you decide to use ashwagandha, consider the following precautions. Consult a healthcare professional. Especially important if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications. Start with a low dose. Begin with the lowest recommended dose to assess tolerance. Monitor for side effects. Pay attention to how your body reacts and discontinue use if adverse effects occur. Choose reputable brands. Ensure product quality and purity by selecting supplements from trusted manufacturers. Avoid prolonged use. Unless advised by a healthcare provider, avoid long-term continuous use. Conclusion. While ashwagandha offers numerous potential health benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Understanding the possible side effects and contraindications is crucial for safe use. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your regimen. Thank you for watching HerbNerd TV. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of herbal medicine. Have you used ashwagandha? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Stay informed, stay healthy, and see you next time.